the ear. They're not very dirty right now. When they get older, we're not supposed to use any Q-tip on yourself either, but everybody does, so. Yeah, there will be a point that you use, just make sure they don't move, and you pull it. You don't pull it. Not deep. Okay, no, the hip.
Okay.
So, a big one, when you buy a big one, lasts you for over 3 years, because then you need a drop. So you make sure you not too much, but try not to have water in the ear, so wash the hair. Oh, you are filming? Okay, don't put me on Facebook. No. First bath by Papa. Doing a great job. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. You do it. Okay, so it's fine. You don't have to wash their hair by the way every day. Okay, twice a week is fine. To me, I find that bonding is very important, and I will use my hand to wash the baby by massaging the baby, and then I'll use the cloth to remove the excess of the soap. So it's better to use that just to rub it and remove the excess. Put the baby in there. No, here, put the baby back there. Be careful with that. And then use the back. Because I turn around so it doesn't get cold. No? Yeah, I had put it this so I could. Yeah, perfect. Nice passing. And the white spot is going to go away. It's called brown sedation. That our nostrils will go away. You want to stay there. Okay, I think it's fine now. Now it's time to check the diaper. He's gonna cry. No, oh, leave it there. Yeah, there. There we go. Perfect. That's it. Look. Okay. So I'm going to show you. Always important to hold the head. There's a weight I'm holding and on one finger underneath. Okay? There we go. I know it's okay for me. Then you will put water on him and then okay. Then you use the soap. I'm going to give you soap in your hand. Whatever you feel comfortable, but make sure you support the head. Wait, I'll show you after. The bum is more than the front. Okay. So if you're using a cloth, you should use one piece for the bum and the other piece for the penis. You're going to do it at home. See, that's what I'm doing here. But it's pretty well expanded. It doesn't have very much fat right now. And the groin there. And the toe and all that. And then soak his hands. You wash it. It's not that dirty, you know.
No, that is not good, Vincent.
Okay, slippery. And then you run like this and yeah. So that's why when you wash the hand, make sure you remove the soap right away from the hand because you tend to put everything in your mouth. And I'm going to show you how to clean the bum. Cute. What's his name, by the way?
Vincent.
Vincent? Okay, Vincent. I'm going to show you Vincent. Okay. Yeah. Turn. You usually like it. Usually the safari. So, if it was a girl, you go like that because you don't want to bring stool to this. So you go like this. And you wash the bum. See, it's pretty good, huh? Come here. And then, this side. What did I say? This side. I'll take the little. You just protrude, just a little bit. Circular motion. That's it. Okay? Then we're done. Okay. Shh. Wow. Now, I'm going to cut it this here. You could put the diaper. You could take the diaper. Everything else. Keep that small GPS for the Okay. So my trick. Here we go. My trick. Hey, let's go. You're strong. Here we go. Okay. So directly on the diaper. A lot.
On the diaper?
Yeah, a lot. Perfect. Take this. Goes around. There we go. So you don't put them directly on your fingers, so it will stick very well. This is not dry, so out. See, the pin is down, okay? One finger go above. One finger. close. Here we go. Yeah, okay, we'll keep it there because it's close. Okay. Here we go, darling. Wanna do this side? I'll do the other side. Patrick goes like that. Go. Grab it. See? Easier that way. Stop. And wait till it's really dry before you put this because I will keep moisture. So, well, you did very well. You passed that.
Wait a bit, my dear.
Okay. Okay. So you get your finger. I think what's better to do that way. What do you think? That you do and I explain and, you know, than me doing it, right?
Huh?
I think it's better that he did it and I explained before, so it's more fresh in your mind. Hello, now you try. Here we go. Oh, sucks. But you could put it on top. You could put just like that on top. So I will keep it very, there we go. Excellent. Okay, I'll remove that for you. So at least, for sure, over an hour before we go home, and I have to make you sign papers and all that for the baby. Okay?
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. I think that's yours. Huh?
Say hello. Say hello.